Oh, where are we, Jeremy? We're in Glencore. Well, we're on the bumpy road.
The scene was shot for Skyfall.
All right, we're on the road going up to where a scene was shot for Skyfall. The film, that is.
Camera out the window.
Yeah.
Wind noise.
Wind noise. Yep. I know that. But you get the gist. It's a very pretty place. It's a very pretty place. It's very nice. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Please. Oh, somebody lives over there. There's a house.
Down here, where everybody's parked, I think.
Yeah. Well, this is
the spot.
Yes.
Where they did the shot.
Yeah. So it's quite busy. It's quite busy. This one's stopping here, so yeah. Does he just stop? Oh, sorry, just stop it there.
Telling me that one's going to try and park as well. I'll try to stop there in the same place. Yes. There we go, folks. Look familiar? It is the spot from Skyfall along the Glencoe Road.
Yeah. I'm taller than you. Oh, look, I'm taller.
You here a minute? I'll swap you.
Alright then. Oh.
Now this is going to work.
No, I'm on the rock. What are we doing?
This way's up. That way. That'll do. Not a bad view to wake up to. The Forth estuary. It's been a reasonably quiet night here. Not a bad park up. I mean, the only thing you have got overnight is... Can you see him? You should be able to hear him now. Yeah. It is on the main flight path into Edinburgh Airport. But then the Caravan and Camping Club site's just down the road here. So it ain't a great deal of difference to that. Really. Let's let him go by. Just see the Forth Road bridges over there in the distance. So yeah, they did pack up around midnight-ish, and I never heard them. We shall ask Beverly. Beverly, did you hear many planes overnight?
No, not overnight, no.
So, all in all,
no, it was...
it's been okay, isn't it?
Yeah, I went to sleep about 10:30, 11. I didn't hear anything till probably 6 this morning, but then I woke up with pain, so it wasn't the planes, it was me.
But the view of the estuary's alright.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
I just said, like, the Caravan Camping Club's just down the road here, so it ain't a great deal of difference, really.
No, absolutely
from being
not.
there.
No, absolutely. So if you don't need facilities, then, you know, it's a good stopover. I must admit, it's perfectly adequate for what we wanted for tonight.
Indeed.
Or for last night.
Even.
So, yeah.
There's a few more here.
Yeah.
It can get busier, I believe.
I think.
But there's a few behind us as well. But yeah, all in all, it'll do.
Is it on park for night?
It is on park for
It's
night,
on
yes.
park for night as well, so yeah. It's good.
Yes.
So we shall now...
Carry on
Where is it up to next?
to wherever we end up.
Yes.
Ooh.
Who knows?
See you in a bit. Well, that's the lost Scottish breakfast.
It
in
is,
the
yes.
Cedar Calf. Very nice it was too.
Yes.
And now, onwards. Well, that's it.
Yeah.
Back across the border, or at the
We
border,
are at the border.
and that's an end to Arthur's Scottish adventure.
Yeah.
So, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't watched it all, nip back, have a look at them. There's some good bits you'll have missed. And we'll see you next time, wherever and whenever that may be.
Woohoo.
New Year, I think.
New Year's be the next one, yeah.
New Year. See you then.
Bye.
Oh look, there's ours from last time. One last thing to do. See you next time, Scotland. We'll miss you.